Well, I guess let's get into this. What's going on, guys? It's AJ with Agency Power, and in today's unboxing segment, we're going to be discussing the race pipe for your Can-Am Maverick X3. Ever wonder why your machine sounds so quiet and feels like it's lacking a little bit of power? Well, that's because the factory muffler system and the catalytic converter paired together are really restrictive to your engine, and probably also because you don't have one of these bad boys, let's be honest. The Agency Power race pipe will help alleviate a lot of that restriction. Not only will it slightly amplify your exhaust sound, but it'll also allow you to hear that wonderful spool from your Rotax turbocharger. I mean, that is one of the reasons why you bought an X3, right? Might as well be able to hear the turbo. The race pipe to muffler section that you can see right here retains the factory spring and clamp mechanism, which has been proven over the years. And the modular design of the race pipe itself allows it to be compatible with the stock muffler section or any aftermarket exhaust options of your choice. If you plan on upgrading your machine, this is a must-have option and pairs well with many of our other modifications, like our Valvetronic exhaust, ECU flash, cold air intake, and even our big turbo upgrade. After installing the Agency Power race pipe, you'll notice a slight gain in power and much less restriction compared to your factory system, as the exhaust is able to freely exit the machine without immense back pressure, choking your engine and robbing you of precious horsepower. The T304 stainless steel construction is sturdy and provides excellent tonality. And the incorporated flex pipe next to the V-band flange eliminates the possibility of the pipe itself cracking. When you're in the hot desert and you're going run after run, doing a few jumps or two, there's a lot of vibration going on and a lot of heat. Now, centralized heat with vibration equals cracking. So to prevent that, we incorporate this flex pipe, which eliminates that possibility altogether. You'll find the Agency Power logo laser cut into each bracket and is TIG welded to perfection to top off one of the best upgrades for your Can-Am. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this week's unboxing session. I hope you liked it, and if you did, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe for more content like this. Be sure to follow our social media accounts for stock updates and sneak peeks on new products. You'll be able to find those right here, our Facebook and our Instagram. But that's going to be it for this video. Take it easy, everyone. Peace.